Welcome back to Android tutorials, and in this video we are going to create an material design alert dialog. So this is our application where first I have only one text view, which is our channel name Android tutorials. So when I click back button, I will get a material alert dialog uh, confirmation, which is exit confirmation. So it says message, are you sure you want to exit? So when I click yes, then app will close, no then dismiss, and again cancel then dismiss. So let's begin with building this material design alert dialog. First of all, you have to check your build or Gradle dependency which contain this material design library or not. Afterwards, move to your main activity, and in on create method I will below on create method I will add on back press method. So in this on back press we have to remove our super dot on back press method, but before that I would like to add some strings for our design. So first string will be of our title, which will be uh, exit confirmation, and after I will write our message, which will be, are you sure you want to exit, as I had shown you. Afterwards we have one yes button, no button, and cancel button. So cancel button is for just preview purpose. If you don't want to add that cancel button, then you can skip that, and make sure you write the first letter in small case only to generate less error. And from here I will change its content to yes. Here there will be no, and here it will be cancel. So here we had implemented some strings. Now I will move to our main activity.java file, and in my onBackPress method I had removed super.onBackPress. Now we will start creating our material alert dialog. So for that we have to first create a builder. So material alert dialog builder, I will say here alert dialog builder is equal to new material alert dialog builder. Here we need to pass a context which will be this, and afterwards here I will write alert dialog builder of material design dot set title, and get resources dot get string, which will be r dot string dot title. After we will set a message. So alert dialog builder dot set message. So that message will be again get resource, which is our, are you sure you want to exit. So get string, here I will pass string name dot message, and afterwards we have to write alert dialog builder dot set cancelable. So make this to be false, because when user click anywhere else except dialog, then our dialog should not be dismissed. And then we will set three buttons. First will be positive button, negative button, and neutral button. So here I am writing alert dialog builder dot set positive button, which will be first parameter will be string. So get resources again, and pass the string, that we had made. So r dot string dot yes, and in that second parameter we have to create new dialog interface and pass here finish affinity. So this will close all the activities. Now close this positive button and create negative button, set negative button. Here we will pass our string by getting resources and string which id will be no, and second parameter will be dialog interface click listener. So here we have to write dialog interface. This came from here dot dismiss. Okay, now close that, and now I will set my neutral button. Set neutral button. Here again we have to pass our resource. So get resource dot get string of r dot string dot cancel, and again new dialog interface click listener. Here also we will dismiss our dialog interface, and now we will finally show our material alert dialog in our Android application. So material, not material, alert dialog builder dot show. So with this show method we will show our dialog. So let me give you the quick overview. First add some strings of title, message, yes, no and cancel with this following message. Afterwards move to main activity and create new method of backpress, and material design alert dialog builder is equal to new material alert dialog builder, pass the context this, then add our title, message and cancelable method and create 3 buttons as you had shown. After finally you will show our alert dialog builder. So this was our small tutorial. So let me show you the preview again. So when I click back press I will get my alert dialog, and when I click yes then it will close my app, but when I click no then it will disappear. So if you enjoyed this video then please make sure you like and share this Android tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thanks.